There's been an update to Microsoft Forms. So now you can quickly import a form utilizing the wizard. So if you, for instance, you have a questionnaire that you had set up in Word or PDF format, you can now quickly import that and create your own form. Let me show you how. So you click on the quick import, you select upload, and if you notice they say Word or PDF, you select that. I have a client feedback questionnaire. I open it and I say, okay, is it a quiz I want to have or is it a form? I want to have a form. So I click on a survey form and it's going to begin converting this form. Now when it's done, this form is going to be completely editable. So it tells me within 10-15 seconds that it's ready for review. I start my review. Now within here, I can quickly go in and edit any area of my form that I just imported. It's a quick and easy way to get your feedback out or get your quizzes out to your clients or to your staff. Microsoft Forms is very powerful for actually collating this type of information. So stay tuned for more tech finds.